Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be sharing DIY box braid tutorial which will improve your braiding skill. This tutorial is going to be detailed. Please keep on watch till the end because there's going to be a lot of tricks on how to improve your braiding skills. Okay, so first of all we are going to be starting with this professional hair EZ Kima of 7 value super packs. This hair is super amazing. And of course we are going to be using our braiding gel and our cutting comb. Then of course our little secret is going to be our mirror to help us with our cutting. Okay, now I am starting with at the back of my hair to part my hair. As you guys can see, with the help of my mirror I am doing this. Okay, this tutorial is going to be a little bit lengthy because it will be all detailed. I would like you to calm down, relax and watch till the end. Guys, get yourself already pre-stretched hair. As a beginner, it's gonna save you a lot of time and stress. Okay, look at this one that I'm holding now, so beautiful, right? Good. Now we are gonna be starting. First of all, I'll bring it out from the pack and moisturize it with my hair cream and water combining together. This will make the hair to smoothen up more, a little bit more, and of course it will help you to like manage it properly, because most of the time this our braiding hair can get a frizzy. This water and cream will make everything come together. Look at that, so beautiful. Okay, now let's start. I went ahead to part my hair at the back like you're seeing now. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking, but when necessary I'm going to talk. I would like you to watch with your eyes. Okay, now here I noticed that my hair had some, would I call it shading or breakage? I don't really know. Guys, the best way to protect your hair is by leaving it in a protective style. I have not been doing this to my hair, and that is the reason why my hair is breaking up. But now I have learned my lesson. I'm going to be doing this often, braiding my hair, twist, protective styling. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm using the edge control to control my edges. Then I got out the braiding hair. This braid is going to be in a medium. Okay, not too small, not too big. As you guys are seeing, I divided the hair into 3. Now I'm attaching it into my hair. Okay, as I'm doing this, I'm equally going to divide my natural hair into 3 respectively. I will attach each to each braiding hair. Then make sure you at this point you are holding your hair tight in order to have a full control of both your natural hair and your braiding hair. Then you start braiding, still holding it tight at this point. Okay, not too tight though, but hold it tight so that it won't pull off. Because most of the time there's this friend of mine that say the problem that she has is holding the hair first. Try and secure it and hold it tight. Then after about 3 rounds, then you bring it down and start braiding it as you're seeing on the screen now. So I will encourage you as a beginner to use this method. Okay, because knotless braid is good, but as a beginner it's going to be a little bit harder for you to do, especially if you're braiding on yourself. Okay, so this traditional method of braiding is actually the best when it comes to a beginner. It is beginner friendly. Okay, Okay, here I continued with the same process. Okay, so I realized that the first row was a little bit bigger than my preferable size, so this time around I kind of made it a little bit smaller. Okay, even though that it doesn't really matter how the back looks, but I still want to make this braiding a little bit professional. Okay, yes, so I'm continuing with what I did before, attaching the braiding hair to my natural hair and holding it until the third or fourth round before I bring it down. Okay, this is very important when looking for a more preferable result. Parting this side of my hair was kind of tricky for me, even though I was using the help of the mirror. It was still kind of confusing, but you know what, I kept pushing until I got what I wanted. Guys, it's not easy at all. So when I got to this point, as you guys can see, my hair was already I was almost done with my hair, so it became kind of easy to part, because parting is one of the hardest things, how to get those lines neater and more professional. So at this point I was kind of it's kind of a little bit easier for me, because I can see my hair through the front mirror without using the help of my hand mirror. point, this is all I have. And I still have much hair. There's no way this can be able to reach my hair. Let's see what happens, okay? So at this point, this is oil calling me. My 7 super packer got finished, and now I have no other choice than to use what I have around. Thank goodness I have a superstar around, so I'm going to be finishing up with this particular superstar, okay? That joy when you have only one single braid remaining. Oh my goodness. Honestly, I deserve a round of applause because it's not easy. Hey sis, are you still watching? I appreciate you a lot. But if you've not liked this video, please like it now before you forget, okay? Leave a beautiful comment, share, right? I truly appreciate you my returning subscribers, my viewers, all of you who has been making this channel a success. Gosh, I appreciate a lot, okay? Thank you so much. As you guys can see, we are on our last braid, single years. Like, it's not easy now, it's not easy, so we deserve some accolade, okay? It's completely okay to go to the salon and get your hair done sharp, but you know there is an extra joy in you when you make things yourself, when you get creative and actually make it yourself, okay? That joy of people asking you, oh my goodness, your hair is beautiful, where did you make it? Then you just smile and tell them, I braid it myself. Oh, you see? Oh, it is beautiful, you can make that. Wow. You know, when people tell me this, on a pieces. Honestly, whew, not easy. Everyone, we made it to the finish. Now I'm going to change this hair now off the camera, and I'll also dip it in hot water off the camera, okay? So I'll be doing the trimming and be doing the dipping of the hot water of the camera. Then we'll come back and see the finished look. So guys, I had to do the hot water of the camera. Look at it, look at the look. Now let me apply this shine jam. This is quite oh. My styling was not taken. Oh. Oh, there's still something in it now, eh? This hair took me roughly about 7 to 8 hours to get it all done. Guys, you know how tight my hands are. But we did it finally. I'm going to be filing my scalp with the... Here is my DIY oil. The full video is coming soon. Hey, Father Lord, we made it now. We made it. Just take a look at me. The hair is completely given. It's contributing. It's donating. It can fit well in the cover of a magazine. Hey, check it out. What do you think? Thank you, guys.